Good morning, everybody. So this morning what we're going to do is we're going to have another look at column addition. Now, we've done this before at school and I know that you're all absolutely fantastic. So we're just going to have a little bit of a recap to help you with the My Maths things. So I'm going to start off with a nice easy one. We're going to start off with 321 add 268. So I need to start off by putting this in a column. I'm going to make sure that each number is in the perfect column for its place value. So 321 add 268. I'm going to use my ruler to draw the lines underneath so that it's nice and neat. Now if you want to, at this stage, you can put the little headings at the top. We've got our ones column here. We can see our ones, we've got our tens, and we've got our hundreds. Now we always start off with that ones column, whether it's column addition or column subtraction, we always start with that ones column. So, 1 add 8. 1 add 8 is 9. I'm going to put it in the ones column underneath the line. We move on. 2 add 6. 2 add 6 is 8. In the tens column, done. Move on to the hundreds. 3 add 2. 3 add 2 is 5. Put it in the hundreds column. So we know our answer is 589. That's a nice easy one that I'm sure you can all do. So we're going to move on to one that's slightly more difficult. This time we're going to use 265 add 351. I'm going to use my ruler again to draw those nice straight lines. If you want, you can put the headings. I'm not going to this time, but you can if you want. Let's see how this one's a little bit trickier. Starting with that ones column. So 5 add 1, sorry. So 5 add 1 is 6. Put it in. Moving on to the tens column. 6 add 5. Well, 6 add 5 is 11. It's not a one-digit number. It's in fact a two-digit number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ones from the answer and put it under the line. I'm going to take this one here, the 10, and put it under the next column. It's really important that we remember that in the next stage. So you can see it looks like the 11, but we're putting the tens number underneath. Now for the last one, in the hundreds column, we've got 2 and 3, but we've got to remember this one underneath. So we're doing 2, add 3, add 1. 2 add 3, add 1 is 6. So the answer there is 616. Okay, so this time we're going to do 718 add 182. Again, using my ruler. Oh, so wonky on me. At this point again, you can put your ones, tens and hundreds headings if you like. So first of all, I'm going to do 8 add 2. 8 add 2 is 10. Again, it's a two-digit number, the answer. So what I'm going to do is have a look at my answer. I'm going to take the digit that's in the ones column and put it in. So the digit is 0. I'm going to put 0 here and put the 1 underneath so that when we do our tens column, we include it in that too. Great. So now we're going to do the tens column. 1 add 8. But again, we need to remember this number here. So we're actually doing 1 add 8 add 1. Well, 1 add 8 add 1 is 10 again. Now just because we've done this once doesn't mean that we don't do it again. We need to do it again. The answer is 10. So we take the digit that's in the ones column and we put it in. We put the 1 underneath the next column, just as we did before. So let's have a look finally at the hundreds column. 7 add 1, and remember this 1 again. So 7 add 1 is 9. I can just put it straight in because it's a one-digit answer. Therefore, our total is 900. Now, as I said, you've done this before. It can be a little tricky, but hopefully this will have helped a little bit. You've got some tasks on My Maths that might help, and then you've got some tasks further on from that on Wednesday. So hopefully this will do some good for you. I can't wait to see how well you do.